Children, as we are seeing the exercise 3.3, we have done till the 7th example. Now I will explain you the remaining examples. 8th example, can a composite number be a odd? If yes, write the smallest odd composite number. We have to write, means they have asked first that a composite number can be a odd. Yes, it can be a odd. And they have asked which is that the composite number which is smallest. Definitely 9 is the composite number and it is odd also, so it is the smallest odd composite number. Then they have asked in the next example that the digit in the units place of a number is divisible by 5 if the number lies between 150 and 200. Will it be a composite number or prime? So since the digit in unit place of a number is 5, so one of the factor will be 5. This number is composite. Next, in the 10th, is there any natural number having no factor at all? Yes, if we will say that a natural number starts from 2. So definitely to have the two factor 1 and the number itself, and we are always saying that whether it is a prime number or a composite number, it will always have the two factors 1 and the number itself. So it will be not having any natural number who is not having the factors. So your answer will be no. The 10th first answer is no. Then B, find all the numbers having exactly one factor. Only that is 1, because 1 is having 1 and number itself, a number is also 1. So it have only one factor. Rather than 1, every number have minimum 2 factors. Then the last one is find numbers between 1 and 100 having exactly 3 factors. There are some numbers who are having 3 factors, and we have to find out the numbers from 1 to 100. That is 1, 4, 9, 25, 49. These numbers are having only 3 factors. Then express each of the following number as sum of two odd primes. They have given the numbers and we have to express that as the sum of the two odd prime numbers. First it is given 36. So 36, you have to think of it. You can write another also, that 36 odd number 7 and 29. You can show their addition. 7 and 29 will be equals to 36, and 7 and 29 both are prime numbers. This way you have to do it. 42 prime numbers of 5 and 37. You can take any combination. I have given some examples and you can do it by the different examples or different numbers also. You have to just see that whether that numbers are prime or not. Then the 12th question, that is express each of the following odd number as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. Then here you have to show the sum of 3 odd numbers. You have to consider 3 odd numbers. So 32, 5 plus 7 plus 19. All these numbers 5, 7, 19 are the prime numbers and as well as they are the odd numbers. So they are odd prime numbers. So 31 is equals to sum of 3 odd prime numbers is 5 plus 7 plus 19. In this way, you have to do the next examples of the question number 12. Now the question number 13. Fill in the blanks by cells by two-digit prime numbers in each of the following figure such that the sum of the number in both horizontal and vertical is 123. They have given some numbers in that box. It is given 29 and 83. So what we will do, we will first try to find out the remaining example, that remaining numbers. So 123 minus 29, because its addition should be 123. So 123 minus 29, that will be your 94, and you have to find out the sum of the numbers in both horizontal cells is 123. So we can take the combination of 23 and 71. So you will have that other numbers can be 23 and 71 in horizontally. In vertically, you can take 23 and 71. This will be your first combination as they have told about it. In this way, the numbers will be formed. That is 83, 23, 17, 29, 23, 71. So in B, in horizontal cells, sum of three numbers should be 161. So how we are going to do it? 161. So 161, and they have given the number 13 and 17. So 13 plus 17 will be your, if you will do the subtraction, 161 minus 30, you will have the number 131, and you have to find out the three numbers which are prime also. So its combination will be 47, 61 and 23. Then we will find out vertically. Vertically 41 and 17 is given. So if you will subtract that, then you will get 103. So your combinations 61, 31 and 11. So how you will write that? 41, 61, 31, 11, 13, 47, 61 and 23. In this way you are going to solve it. And the next question is 14th question, that is a true or false, that you can do it by yourself.